Hello back to my channel Teach Me English. This is Jovan Ali. In this tutorial I'm going to present the 10 most used adjectives in English language with examples. Since adjectives is a very vast and huge topic, normally I've divided into parts, so this presentation is going to be part 1. Let's get started. Scared. Scared means fearful or frightened. For example, Robin is scared of heights. Healthy. Healthy means in a good physical or mental condition. Mario is a healthy boy. Useful. Useful means serving some purpose. For example, your advice was very useful. Emotional. Emotional, easily affected by emotions. He's a very emotional man. Famous. Famous, known by many people. Sydney Opera House is very famous. Rare. Rare, not common, very unusual. Panda is a very rare animal. Huge. Huge, extremely large in size or amount. They live in a huge house. Successful. Successful, achieving the results wanted or hoped for. He's a very successful player. Cute. Cute, pleasant and attractive. This kitten is cute. Suitable. Suitable, acceptable or right for someone or something. This coat is very suitable for winter. Thank you very much for watching this video on Teach Me English. Please subscribe into my channels on YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram to get more videos. Take care and bye.